Hello friends, in this video I came with a new application called C programming. This is very useful to learn C language. So now I am explaining the procedure. Open the Play Store, search here mobile C, then install, press the install. So it is 80 MB size, application size is 80 MB, so it takes time to install. So it's very useful applications for the job, those who want to do jobs in the IT sections and those who want to learn C language or C++. Please wait a minute to install this application in your mobile. So it is very useful, so it is not harmful for our Android mobile also. For the features in the computer you may get in this application, and it is your it feels like you're doing in the computer. So that much it is very popular app for learning C language. So it's installing the app, and then we have to go to home button, then open the app in our mobile C, and then it's taking time installing. So our interface looks like this, and you have to click the right corner, upper right corner there, then you have to write the file name. So I am writing here file, that's it, file, or whatever you want to write your file name, then you can write. Then this is the interface of writing C language. So now I am writing here hello world. So here hash include stdio.h, then int main, after that you can write bracket open bracket, then print hello world, so I wrote here hello world. So it's taking time. So and also here closing bracket, then you have to save like this. After that you have to press the run button, then you will be getting the final output hello world. Then if you want to write again press run again, then you will be getting so many outputs like same. After that I am writing here Rakesh version. So I am writing here Rakesh version, then the output looks like same thing, Rakesh version. So this is what you have to write your program, and you can write complex programs also in this. Then you are getting the Rakesh version, your final output. So I think this is very useful to you. So if you like this application, then please subscribe to my channel Rakesh version, and please share in your WhatsApp groups to your under colleges to get this useful application in their mobiles. So please subscribe to my channel Rakesh version. Thank you.